Hello everyone, this is Lamin, your coordinator in the Gambia. We are here today at the Poultry Farm Project for Tanji Lower Basic School. We have started doing the concrete in the floor. That is for today. Then in 2 days later, we'll start the bricklaying. So you can see the boys, everyone is so much enthusiastic, so much willing to come here and then help with this project. But you can see that other guy brings it up there with the wheelbarrow here. He pours it inside here. Then he does the leveling on the ground. This is a very, very important project. Poultry, it's another means of generating funds for the school, generating funds to support children, underprivileged children, and any other need that the school needs. So close some of the loopholes within the school environment. Yeah, are you happy for the project?
Yeah, of course, I'm very happy. Today, I am more than the word happy. Because I know that if this project has gone first before, we'll have many things. Yes, now the project has started, and we are very pleased to say thank you to you people, those who are sponsoring this project. From you to Mr.
Manes
Koli and Mr. Manes.
And helping
us
and the Begans community.
Yeah. We are very pleased to receive this high gesture.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.